Good morning, Internet. Hey, I wanted to make you guys aware of something because next week is a big week for America and the world. America for reasons that you probably already know, and the world because it represents the 42nd anniversary of Jaboy, the 3D printing professor. Wow! How can a phrase taste like the first time I had durian? Ah. It's my birthday! And you are all invited to the internet pre-party on the 5th. So mark your calendar, July 5th, going to be a live stream on YouTube where I'm just going to hang out. I've got some things that I do want to talk about. Of course, the Low Poly Dino Kickstarter is going great, and I'll probably be doing some modeling during then. At least I hope to be doing some modeling. But then we'll also chat and talk and have, generally speaking, a good time as I test my internet connection at this place. We'll see if it goes well. Now, I'm sure by now you're asking, hey Joe, what do you want for your birthday? Well, you know, I wouldn't ever say no to some more ties, but really I would love to see this Kickstarter hit another stretch goal or two before then. I think hitting a second stretch goal before then would be great. And you can help. If you haven't already supported the Kickstarter, now's a great time to. If you can't or haven't, spread the word. Let people know about the really cool dinosaurs that I'm making. Have you seen the feathered raptor? It is amazing. And it prints without supports. All of them print without supports. They're easy 3D prints. So cool. I hope to see you guys at the live stream. Thank you guys very much for your support. And as always, safety first. Dinosaurs are dangerous. I'll see you guys there.